The sump has had a bit of a clean and a refresh. Looks quite nice. I painted this sump an hour ago and it's touch dry already. So the liquid sealant is the problem. So here are all the old screws, or the sump screws rather. I'm a bit anal about cleaning, so what I'll do is I'll brush them with a wire brush first, just to clean off any old gunk before we start. So time for the application of the silicone, of the sealant. It states on the instructions, apply a thin bead on the inside, around the screw holes as well, but you must assemble the parts within 15 minutes. So here goes. Don't ask. Wow, if you think this sealant comes out like you do at home DIY sealant, it doesn't. It's incredibly difficult to get it out the tube, and because I'm putting so much force, it's just a bit of a squiggly line, but I'll smudge it around all the screw holes, and once we do that, it should be fine. Try not to delay when putting the sealant on and getting the sump into position. I may have underestimated just how quickly it goes off, and you need to have the sump in place by within, I think, 15 minutes according to the instructions. So move quickly. Apart from that, hand tight the bolts, and then torque them. I think it's to 10 Newton meters, or approximately 7.5 foot per pound. That's these 10 mil sump bolts, not the sump plug, which according to Google is 25 Newton meters, so about double that of the 10 mils. Okay, that needs to cure for about 24 hours before it can be used in anger. So what I might try and do is run the engine in isolation